Welcome to Gentle Health. I am Dr. Steven, and today I want to guide you through 3 calm and effective balance exercises. These movements are simple, gentle, and suitable for adults of all ages, especially seniors who want to feel steadier and more confident in daily life. Balance is something the body can relearn at any stage, and just a few minutes of consistent practice can make a meaningful difference. We begin with standing hip circles. Stand near a counter or chair for support. Keep your posture tall and relaxed. Slowly lift one leg a short distance off the floor and draw small, gentle circles with your foot. Move with steady control, keeping your hips centered. Switch legs when ready. This exercise helps the hips stay mobile and strengthens the muscles that support your balance. Next, we move into the clock reach exercise. Stand tall with your feet comfortably apart. Imagine a clock on the floor in front of you. Gently reach one foot forward to the 12 o'clock position. Bring it back, then reach to the side toward 3 o'clock. Bring it back again, then reach behind you toward 6 o'clock. Perform this movement slowly so your body learns how to shift weight safely. This exercise trains coordination, stability, and confidence. Our final movement is the step touch side to side. Begin by standing tall, step gently to the right, and bring your feet together. Then, step to the left and repeat the motion. Keep your steps small and controlled. This exercise teaches your body how to move sideways safely, which is an important skill for preventing falls and improving overall mobility. These 3 exercises work together to support your balance, posture, and daily movement. Practice them for a few minutes each day, and you will begin to feel steadier and more in control of your body. With patience and consistency, you can rebuild balance at any age. Let us continue this journey toward better health, one gentle step at a time.